This cooler runs on a strong however quiet compressor. Constructed in lead mild lets you clearly discover drinks even at evening. It additionally has adjustable shelving for a wide range of drinks. There are numerous items accessible to wine fridge. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best wine fridge from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. NutriChef PKCWC 120 White and Red Cooler. This premium wine cooling unit is backed by a 1-year high quality of full satisfaction. This fashion you possibly can relaxation assured that your treasured wine assortment will stay protected and guarded for years to come back. With nothing to lose, order yours at the moment and chill your wines in type. Management: the precise temperature of your electrical wine cupboard for brief and long run in a constant steady temp atmosphere, with an adjustable digital touch button show for Celsius or Fahrenheit. With its strengthened glass door with airtight seal, this 12-bottle electrical beverage fridge offers you a compact and fashionable design good in your front room, house, workplace, or kitchen. It has a freestanding design for ground, desk or countertop placement. With its 12-bottle storage capability, this wine cooler unit is ideal for chilling and storing 12 bottles of pink or white wine. Geared up with incorrect precision compressor cooling expertise, adjustable temperature management, built-in LED lights and in-built circulation fan and airflow grill. Number 2. Top Mart refrigerator wine and water bottle. With the particular design, you possibly can stack these bottle holders vertically, place aspect by aspect to create a look of an entire piece. Relying in your house obtainable, transfer around each bit as wanted, stack them excessive, or simply format 1 degree. If you happen to love retaining your wine within the fridge, these shall be an important alternative for you. Additionally excellent for house utilization within the freezer, cupboards, pantry, kitchen countertops. Permits you to preserve 4 bottles in any place without taking over a number of house. This wine organizer set consists of 4 plastic racks. Every rack can maintain 1 wine bottle. Additionally splendid for water bottles, shaker bottles, tumblers, protein shaker bottles and blender cups. Made from sturdy BPA and shatter-resistant plastic, the clear design makes it simple to establish the product. No extra stacking bottles the place you possibly can't see what you need to drink. Offers your house a neatly organized feeling. Number 3. Antarctic Star 26-bottle wine cooler cabinet. Gear up with a complicated cooling system that can preserve your drinks on the proper temperature without making a noise. With no disturbance to its pure occurring sediments. Geared up with movable black cabinets, glass door and adjustable leveling legs. The strengthened glass door with airtight seal helps to keep up a great humidity degree. This beverage fridge offers you a compact and fashionable sensation. Excellent in your front room. Blue smooth LED inside lighting not solely superbly showcases the wine, however rest of it injury the wine. 26 commonplace wine bottles capability, additionally good for canned beer and beverage storage. Horizontal racking is a space-efficient approach to retailer your bottles, and it positively cannot hurt your wines. Warmth is enemy primary for wine. The wine cooler lets you retailer your wine in optimum situations for long-term getting old. Working temperature varies 40 degrees Fahrenheit 61 degrees Fahrenheit, and lets you customize the temp. Number 4. Antarctic Star Mini Fridge Cooler. Antarctic Star 1.6 Q.FT. Beverage refrigerator. Features an elegant see-through, left-hinge glass front door with a stainless steel frame for you to view your wine. With its reinforced glass door with airtight seal and held to maintain an ideal humidity level, this beverage refrigerator gives you a compact and modern design. Blue soft LED interior lighting not only beautifully showcases the wine or drink, but also won't damage the wine or drink. Heat is enemy number 1 for wine and drink. The mini refrigerator enables you to store your wine and drink in optimal conditions for long-term aging. Working temperature range is 40 degrees Fahrenheit 61 degrees Fahrenheit, and allows you to customize the temp. 55 degrees Fahrenheit is generally considered great. Equipped with knob temperature control, free to adjust the temperature. This built-in beverage cooler will be a nice addition to your kitchen, bar, office and restaurant. Number 5. Wine cooler refrigerator. This wine cooler refrigerator with an updated temperature control system can keep your wine at a stable and suitable temperature. The 24 wine chiller has an extraordinarily large storage space that can hold up to 179 different size bottles of your favorite wine. Keep your wine collection perfectly organized and properly alive. Using energy efficient and highly soundproof compressors, the wine cellar is whisper quiet and in low vibration. The high elastic sturdy door seal keeps cold air in the chiller and makes it better for refrigeration. The wine cooler with a blue light can effectively protect the tannins in wine, so that it can maintain the perfect taste and provide you a perfect romantic atmosphere. What's more, the Villetta wine fridge is convenient to operate with a smart LED control.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.